This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with a couple essentials. Make sure the Redmi Note 8 has 20% battery and your data is backed up so you can restore layouts. Once ready, unlock the phone and go straight to Settings, then Wallpaper, or long press an empty area on the home screen. You do this because removing a wallpaper can affect both lock and home screens. Choosing the correct menu avoids accidental resets. Now select the current wallpaper to reveal remove and edit options and prepare for the next step. You'll now remove the wallpaper. Tap the current wallpaper and choose Remove or Replace to revert to default. If the wallpaper came from the Themes app, open Themes, right arrow My Page, right arrow Wallpapers, and remove it there because Themes can lock images to the launcher. Once done, make sure you clear the Themes app cache if the Remove option is grayed out. Force stop and reopen the app, then repeat removal. This sequence handles both system and theme-applied wallpapers reliably. Finish by confirming both lock screen and home screen display the default image. Change them separately if needed. Once done, reboot the phone to flush any cached wallpaper data so residual images disappear. If the wallpaper still persists, reset the launcher settings or uninstall recent theme updates and try removal again. This clears locks applied by theme packages. And if you run into resistance, remember, force stopping the Themes app and rebooting usually resolves most stuff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.